Good morning, guys. I hope you are doing well. My name is Alex, and today I welcome you for gold analysis for NFP data. So, as NFP data is already here, this is the first major data that is coming for this month. Then we should be well prepared for the coming volatility because this NFP data is going to focus a lot on employment situation in USA, and thus it will decide how the further the Fed will be deciding its rate cuts in this coming year. So today, first of all, when we see gold, then we are getting the support that is the daily low of 2654, and in the upside we are having the resistance of 2667 that was created during late Asian session. Okay, so right now what we can expect that till the data does not come, it should be moving in between this same range only, and after the data is out, then the gold will be going up or down. Now let's see the first scenario, like what happen if the today's data comes in the positive side. Then it will, as we all know, that yes, if it comes positive, then dollar will be stronger and gold will be weaker. But what we expect is if it also comes in the positive side, it will not directly fall, but it will give a quick fake spike into the upside. So what we can say, see first gold coming down and then giving a fake spike into the upside, breaking all the resistance levels, okay, between set 2673 or 2667, because many people have taken stop loss here between these range or between these range. So what we will be doing is we will be waiting first for the upward spike, and once we see that all the sellers are exited, then we can take a fresh entry from this range. So today from this range we can again target yesterday's low of 2637. Yes, there is going to be a good movement today and we can target big. Okay, and in the downside by tomorrow what we can see, 2624 or 26 or below that. So overall it will be going down, but first we can see the first fake spike if it comes into the positive side. Okay, so during that time, for that time we will be taking short positions with above 2674. Okay, we can keep the stop loss above 93 or 2694 or something like that, and we can target into the downside yesterday's low of 37 or below that 24 on the easy side. So this also provide you a good risk reward ratio, as you can see, of 2.52. Okay, so this is a very good risk reward ratio and very good trade for the NFP if the data comes into the positive side. Now let's look about what could happen if it comes in the negative side. Okay, for then the gold will be going up for sure. Then we can see a first downward spike, something like here, that for downward we are getting the first support between the range of 48 to 50. Okay, 52. So this is the big good range where we can see a support forming. Okay, if this range doesn't break, then we can buy. Okay, for that the data must be into the positive side, and this happens, then we can buy into the upside. Okay, and target more into the upside. The psychological resistance will come at say 2700 or 2720. So traders must be prepared, like if they are buying, then they can buy big also, because right now the geopolitical crisis was also going on in the Middle East, so that will support gold buyers as well. So long positions can be made here like this, keeping the stop loss at around target with the target of 2700. So here we are also getting the good risk reward ratio of 1 is to 2.3. Okay, so this is a very good setup right now for buyers as well and for sellers as well. So all the best traders. Let's see how the actual data comes, and we will be updating you according to that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.